Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to make a poll on Telegram. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for how to make a poll on your Telegram. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. Obviously, if you want to make a poll in Telegram, obviously you should have a group, and then you can easily set up any poll you want. For example, I already in a group and I would like to make a poll. So what you have to do, open that group, and then down there is a clip, paper clip. Simply click over there, and then we will see it's gonna appear just like this. From here you need to click this poll section, and then it's going to appear, and here is a question. You can choose what question you want. For example, I would like to choose ask a question, and I'm going to choose here which color should I choose, and then I can teach it's now you can say I had type a question which is say which color should I choose, and then it's saying roll up poll options, add an options. You can add total 10 options, and also here something say anonymous voting, multiply answer, quiz mode. You can easily choose any of them if you want. And now let me type here poll options. Let me type here the colors name: green, red, blue, or sky, and I'm going to click here done. Now you can see I had successfully created a poll, and from here easily all of my group member, they can easily choose whatever they want. So within this simple way you can easily make a poll in your Telegram. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.